Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore GraphQL Admin API reference. We will install the GraphQL app as well to make the GraphQL queries in our store. So we have a Shopify GraphQL app over here and GraphQL Explorer over here. So if you click on the GraphQL Explorer, you can see different instructions and you can make the API calls if you like. If you send the shop name, it will grab the information about the Shopify store which they have for the demo purpose, but we will install this app in our own store and make the GraphQL queries. To install the app, click on the Shopify GraphQL app. Enter your shop domain to log in or install this app. So you need to copy the URL of your store and paste that over here. You can paste the URL in two different ways. One is admin.shopify.com/store and your name like this, or you can copy the store name and paste that name over here and type myshopify.com. So in both ways you can install this app. I will copy this and use this method, and from the scopes you can select what kind of data you are going to fetch and write. So you have all these scopes. You can select, for example, all the orders, all the apps, brands, read and write, cart transform, companies, whatever. So I will select products, read and write products, and orders. So these are the read and write orders. Similarly, customers, if I need to access the customer. So this is the storefront API and this is the admin API. So make sure you are going to select the right scope, whatever for the admin API or for the storefront API. So I think these selections are enough for the demo purpose. So install this app in your store. It will ask you the permissions. So we have selected these scopes. I am okay with that. I will click on install and Shopify GraphQL app is installed. Now we can make GraphQL queries. So for example, if I would like to get the shop name, I will make this query and my store name is Vixo Checkout, as well as we get the information how much it was costed and the other information over here. So let's go to the API reference and make some API calls. You can go to the admin API documentation and click on the products queries. And if you would like to get the products, click on the products, and these are different queries. You can select any of the example and copy the query. This is the GraphQL query. Copy this query and paste that query over here. So what is doing, it is querying the get product function. In the product, it is passing first 10 products, and inside nodes we need ID and title. So let's run this query and you will be able to fetch first 10 products. And if you go back to the documentation and retrieve first 10 product with the given first products and retrieve the 10 most recently product So for example, you would like to query, you can query different types, glasses, shoes, bracelet, whatever you want. You can check all the example from here. Similarly, if you would like to fetch the orders, click on the orders and query, go to the query, and these are the orders. So if you would like to get first 10 orders and their ID, you can copy this and paste that query over here and run the query. So we don't have any order information, first and cursor, nose and ID. So let's try to retrieve a specific order, retrieve the first order after function. Okay, let's try to fetch the customers. I don't have any orders, so let's try to fetch the customers. Let's copy this query and paste that over here. And now you can see I have first 50 customers, the name of the customer, ID of the customer, address of the customer, and all the other information which I requested. So you can make the queries like this. You can copy the queries and run those queries over here. Similarly, you can go to the documentation, and there are two types of documentation, query root, and you can check all the queries from here as well. And if you would like to make the mutation, you can make the mutation as well. For example, I would like to create the new product. I will go to the products, and these are the mutations. So I will type product create. So this is the product create function. With the help of this query, I can create a new product. So go here and paste the query over here. This is the title of the product, and with some options, if you run this query, this product will be added in your store. You can see we get the response. If you go to the products, you will see we have a new product called socks along with the options. So you can explore this GraphQL app for making the API calls. You can run any kind of API calls by using this GraphQL Shopify GraphQL app. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.